Hi, I'm Jim Joy, Excavator Product Manager for LiuGong North America. LiuGong is proud to introduce to you an upgrade to its most popular full-size excavators, the 922F. Built with LiuGong core values of efficient power, durability, ergonomics, intelligence, safety, and uptime, the 922F is an excavator that is designed to maximize the return on your investment. Starting at the business end of the machine, this comes with a standard general purpose bucket, which is designed for a wide range of tough jobs, whether digging, loading, or using a thumb. LiuGong factory buckets are heavy-duty designs that have been optimized for the F-Series to fill more efficiently for faster cycle times. The heavy-duty buckets are built with hardened steel on all leading edges, along with replaceable side cutters and heavy-duty tooth tips, and even bolt-on cutting edge guards for the premium durability buckets. Other improvements going into F-Series is a new boom and stick with increased durability. And this has to do with cast steel weld nuts at each end and also at the main cylinder mounts. The 922F is available with two stick options, one for stronger digging and another for longer reach. LiuGong Engineering has increased the reliability and durability through both analysis and field testing. The 922F is fitted with 2 work lights on the boom, and then 4 work lights on the front of the cab, and then 2 also in the back. And this is standard to ensure operator visibility at night for a higher safety level on the job site. Now let's have a look at the undercarriage of the machine. The X-frame has a larger box section that reduces stress by 10% compared to E-Series, and that adds stability and durability to the machine. 4 track shoe width options are available as triple grousers to match your preference. And the diameter of the upper roller has been increased to have 9% more load carrying capacity and improving durability. This machine is equipped with 3 track guides per side, which protect and prevent the machine from detracking. Full-length track guides are also available for many demolition applications. Let's go take a look at the engine bay. The 922F is powered by a Cummins 6.7 liter engine, which has nearly 160 horsepower with 5% more torque and 15% better fuel efficiency without the need for an EGR. And this means more reliability and less maintenance. This engine has a variable geometry turbo, or VGT, that delivers more torque at low RPM with a smoother power band, which means faster hydraulic speeds under heavy loads. The engine is cooled by 3 pairs of variable speed electric fans that provide 4% more airflow than the E-Series and yet consume 60% less power, resulting in higher fuel efficiency. This new intelligent system provides maximum cooling at any RPM, and yet at the same time gives you faster warm-up throughout the year with an automatic preheat system for the hydraulics. Let's hop up into this big spacious cab. Right at the operator's fingertips is a large LCD touchscreen monitor with a jog dial on the right-hand console to navigate through the screens, along with shortcut buttons and the keyless start. In the monitor, the operator has access to the standard gauges, work modes, attachment or work tool settings, power boost, lifting mode, even the radio, air conditioning controls, Bluetooth, joystick pattern selection, system monitors, fault codes, maintenance reminders, and the 360-degree camera with side lightings. There's a lot packed in there, but it's very easy to navigate and figure it out. For the many attachments you can use, it's easy to connect and hook up different work tools on the end of the stick, like hammers, compactors, thumbs, shears, grapples, mulchers, and many other tools. Inside the monitor, the operator can program and save different work tools as different selections. The work tool is given a name, like mulcher, and then the exact pressure and flow requirements are set to run the tool at its peak performance without overpowering it. The beauty of the 100% electro-hydraulics comes into play now, as the joystick controls can be tuned for each work tool selection to suit the operator, adjusting flow priorities like giving bias to the stick in versus boom up. Plus there are other adjustable settings for responsiveness and sensitivity of the joysticks. This makes a huge difference in how the operator gets comfortable and more productive across multiple attachments and job types. Auto idle is a handy feature to not only save fuel, but to reduce noise levels while talking to ground crew. When the controls are not being used, after a few seconds the engine speed will drop down to idle, and then go back to speed when any control lever is moved. The operator can adjust the time delay on this in the monitor. Basically, this eliminates the operator having to manually turn down the RPMs and then rev it back up again. It's all done automatically. Another feature, auto shutdown, also saves fuel, but this feature also reduces having the hour meter climb while the machine would just be idling. So this would be very beneficial for warranty coverage, but also it reduces the carbon buildup while the engine would just be idling. LiuGong makes versatility easier in its excavators. Typical configurations include a main auxiliary circuit for hammers and thumbs, a second auxiliary circuit for low flow tools like a rotator, a case drain line for motorized work tools like a mulcher, and also offer hydraulic quick coupler lines, all installed straight from the factory. Now the Kawasaki hydraulic system provides smooth and responsive control through the joysticks with feather touch auxiliaries right at your fingertips. So let's take a look inside one of these service bays. So LiuGong excavators have large access space for daily service checks at ground level, for the oils, for the fuel and the air filters, plus the top-off points for diesel fuel and depth tanks. LiuGong excavators are designed with safety in mind for quick and easy checks to get started. The service corridor on the main upper housing gives ample access to the engine bay, the cooling system, the hydraulic tank, and also the fuel tank. And for regular greasing, the group grease points here on the boom, also the stick and the swing bearing make it convenient and very quick to get started in the day. There's more packed into the LiuGong excavators than I can go over in just a short video, but those were some of the highlights. Thank you for your time. To learn more and see for yourself, please stop by your local LiuGong dealer.